Hi, excuse me, I just checked into room 507 and I'm afraid I have a failed complaint.
I am sorry to hear that. What seems to be in problems?
Well, first of all, the room smell really musty like it has been used in a long time.
Oh, that's definitely not acceptably acceptable. I will make a note of that. What else?
Yes, the bed sheets don't look clean and I found a file hair on the pillow. It made me really uncomfortable.
That completely uncomfortable. I sincerely apologize for that. Well, then housekeeping immediately to 23 change all the liners.
And also the air conditioner seems broken. It keeps making bad noise and don't install the room properly.
I see. I have your maintenance team take a look at it right away. Would you prefer to move on to another room instead?
Yes, I think that would be better. Honestly, I am really disappointed. I chose this hotel because of the good review online.
I completely understand your frustration. Let me upgrade you the lux from a room at extra charge. Also, will offer you free breakfast and a lot of checkout.
Third world help. Thank you for handling this professional.
You're very welcome. We'll make sure your new room is ready within 10 minutes. Please have a seat in the lobby while we prepare everything.
Sounds good. I appreciate it.
Thank you again for bringing this to our attention. We'll our best to make the rest your stay more pleasant.
Yeah.